Hey everyone, how we doing? My name is Tim Pongares and this is Focus on Detailing. Today's video is all about introducing this mighty fine Lotus Esprit. I'll hopefully be dedicating multiple videos to each separate job undertaken to bring some life back to this beast. Gotta appreciate the curves and slickness, how good it would have looked in its day. Even now, it still has a presence to it. This upload is to just show what to expect, and maybe you can give me some insight as I've never actually worked on one, so I'm excited. As you can tell, it's loaded with swirls, but luckily not too many deep scratches from what I can tell. Maybe it had a cover on it, really soft paint, improper washing techniques, who really knows, but I'm going to be doing my best to fix them. Seems there's some sun damage on the plastic surround of the door and windows, on both sides, so we'll be restoring them and protecting them to hopefully prevent them from getting any worse. Cracked plastics and unfortunately, due to its age, things will be tired. Some lighter damage to the spoiler edge, but overall it's not really that bad. Stress cracks in the paint near the pop-up lights, but actually the wheels seem refurbished as they're abnormally good, but I could be off base. Can't complain if something's looking great. The roof lets in quite a bit of breeze even when sealed, which will bring about a different washing technique that I usually undertake on older cars that don't seal up quite so well. As for the interior, the leather has seen better days. It does seem to have some heavy wear which unfortunately I can't fix, but that doesn't mean it can't be deep cleaned and replenished with a leather balm to bring back some of that supple feel and hopefully prevent it from getting any worse. Usual wear and tear for an older car, but again, it's really not that bad. Slap some more dust on it and you've got yourself a barn fine video. I'm really excited to see how we can turn it around. And I say we, as if you do have any tips, don't be scared to put them in the comments section below. If you wish to follow along with this, it'd be best to subscribe and keep an eye out. Take care, and I'll catch you all later.